Alright, good morning from Pigeon Forge. Just woke up, starting the 30,000 step challenge. We got a big one today. We're heading to the Alum Cave to Mount LeConte Trail. We're basically hiking a mountain today. It's about a 10.2-ish mile hike, which is on the higher end of what we've ever done. We're excited. We're going to hit up Gatlinburg later. I think we're going to get 30,000. Time to wake up Brooke. We're going to go work out and grab ourselves some breakfast before rolling out. Let's go.
We always start our mornings with a trip down to the hotel gym. We always call ahead and make sure they have dumbbells and exercise machines for us so that we can keep our routine and healthy lifestyle, and it also allows you to take in a few extra calories throughout the day on your trip. After the workout, we always make sure to go grab the breakfast at the buffet and really load up on food since it comes with your hotel stay. Before we get to the hike, we'd really appreciate if you could like and subscribe to our YouTube channel where we give you tons of adventures, tips, tricks, and lots of 4K nature footage. All right, time to hike. All right, we are at the Alum Cave to Mount LeConte Trail, and we are about to start a hike. Up there, we are at 5,000 steps today, 30,000 step challenge. This is going to be about 10 miles, going to take quite a while. It's a little chilly, we're going to get some calories burning. Mixing up our C4, we got a backpack packed full of extra waters, some protein bars, some granola bars, and this is going to be the biggest hike of our life. It's going to be a struggle, but we're ready. We're going to try it. The first quarter of the hike was full of stunning, rippling streams, rapids, bridges, and places to snap some photos. Nothing too steep yet. We had a pretty easy hike getting to Alum Cave. All right, we're about 1.43 miles in. It's foggy up top. Taking a water break. All right, just at 10,000 steps. Well, I'd say we're only not even a quarter of the way up. This first opening is actually some good teasing shots of some mountains in the background. It is a smoky day up here in the Smokies. There's lots of fog. Oh. All right, we're out here struggling our way up the mountain. Difficult. Ground terrain is rough. We're making it. Right now the step count is, 5,800 steps just on this hike. So definitely pushing through 30,000. Here we come. Making our way past Alum Cave, the trail tended to get a little bit steeper, a little bit rougher, but we were ready for it as we pushed towards the top. The damp environment and the large rock steps made it kind of a fun challenge to try to keep our feet dry on the way up. We're climbing some rough rock faces right now. And there's fog ahead. Getting plenty of mountain views from our position here. It is a struggle, but we're making it. We just saw a sign, we made it past the cave, and we're getting rewarded now with some good views. We're ready to go to Gatlinburg and get some snacks. But we got a long way to go, and it's foggy, so we're really hoping we also can see. We're just trying to imagine the food, the coffee, right? The desserts that will come from the labors of our hard work when we make it to Gatlinburg. Now we're gonna watch Brooke dodge all this water. She did it.
Oh, we're not done yet. Yep, she is making it out perfectly unscathed, not even touching the water one bit. Look at that footwork. Wow.
The steps really were racking up for the day. We were seeing good progress on our challenge.
Alright, progress check. We're 4.78 miles in, again climbing vertically.
However, as we pushed towards the top, the fog seemed to envelop us. Suddenly, the mountainside became a silhouette. Treetops peered through the fog. We began to get a little worried. Would that stunning view be there when we got to the top?
Alright, we just passed somebody that said there's only half a mile left, which is good, because we are...
Finally, we had made it to the LeConte Lodge. We were extremely relieved and felt very accomplished. We saw the sign we needed and we pushed just a little bit further to go get that stunning view we've been waiting for. Surely this would be the cherry on top to all the effort and work we did to climb this high. But unfortunately, we didn't get that view today.
Alright, made it up to the top of Mount LeConte and we got some sad news. You can't see anything. We were talking to some guys back there and they said the same thing's happened to them 3 times. So that's just lovely. The Smoky Mountains are extra smoky right now, so all that work and we didn't get the views we were looking for. But we want to make it to Gatlinburg still tonight, get our 30,000 steps in, and in order to do that we need to get going. So we're just gonna hop right back on and be careful on the way down. Bummed, but still feeling accomplished. I mean, just look at the fog behind us. That's where we just came from, complete and utter fog. The way down actually has its own challenges. We're working all kinds of different muscles from trying to hold ourselves back. It is for sure less taxing on the cardio system, but it is more stressful trying not to completely wipe out and fall. All right, just got 20,000 steps. Sad though, 20,000 sad, useless, worthless steps.
All joking aside, we really did enjoy this hike. It was fun, the scenery changed, and in the end, we were indeed rewarded with some great views.
We're partway down and the fog is pretty much lifting, but our legs are too tired and we're on too much of a time crunch to head back up to the top. But as you can see, it's clearing up. It's a bummer, but if we ever come back and we have blue skies day, you know, we might just have to make it back up. So enjoy these views for a little bit on our way down.
Maybe it's just the vitamin D talking, but we were feeling great on the way down as the sun peered through the trees, gleamed off the flowing water. We were having a great time and we could not wait to go out to Gatlinburg afterwards and do some shop strolling and go hunt down some coffees.
Look what I just hit on this hike. Brooke's not far behind, 30,000 steps. Let's go. Looks like we're just gonna have to come up with a new goal. We're gonna have to hit 40,000 today. Still not done, making our way back.
After the hike, we stretched a bit, cleaned up, got in the car, and made our way to Gatlinburg. Highly suggest picking a parking spot before you make your way down the strip, as things can get a little tight and congested. It's not really fun to try to stress over where to park on your way through the traffic. The main parkway strip of Gatlinburg is approximately 0.75 miles. We ended up walking it a total of 4 times back and forth, examining different shops, enjoying the views of the Smokies in the background, and adoring all of the wonderful attractions that contradict so well the nature we saw on our hike. The perfect balance of nature, and civilization, being able to go on a hike and then head to Gatlinburg, a super commercial place full of friendly people. For dinner, we headed back to Pigeon Forge, where we found the Wood Grill Buffet, an excellent buffet, a little bit pricey, but a ton of food selections from all varieties. I especially loved the sliced steak that was on tap, that you could grab as many pieces as you want, and it was seasoned amazingly. You don't find that often in a buffet.
All right, round one done. Time to go get a second. All right, we're on our second round of food. Might be our last. We ate too quick. We're filled full. All right, final stop. We got chocolate chunk. What is it?
Espresso chocolate chunk.
Espresso chocolate chunk. Here we go. Yummy. More coffee for today.
To burn off some of the food we just devoured, we headed off to some shops. Target's one of our favorites. We had a little bit of steps left to get before conquering the 40,000 step challenge.
She is close to getting her, what is it, 40? Oh, take a step. Is it going on? What? There we go, we got it. 40,000 steps. We thought it was impossible. We got it.
Late night shop strolling vibes ended us with a win on the 40,000 step challenge. We headed back to the hotel feeling victorious.
All right, daily recap. We ended up with, 43,272 steps. Okay, we'll pull the proof up on the screen as well. Overall, tough day. Hiked Mount LeConte. Walked all over Gatlinburg. We walked the strip probably four times to get our steps. We went to some stores as well, and now we're watching Friends, and we're gonna go to bed, and that will not be hard to do because we are very tired.